Don't let the XAML Build Task DLL stop your apps from running. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and here is the safe method to clear it for good. Before we get into the manual guide for XAML Build Task, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the XAML Build Task, the XAML Build Task assembly. It facilitates the localized unmanaged compilation of XAML markup into Binary Application Markup Language, BAML, for WPF applications. It acts as a bridge between the designer's XML code and the high-performance localized execution bits used by the .NET runtime. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. To get back up and running, try reinstalling .NET XAML Build Task. Grab the official x86 and x64 Visual C++ packages from Microsoft and run them to restore the missing runtime component. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered XAML Build Task component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. A critical reminder: modifying XAML Build Task. DLL manually is dangerous. Without a verified installation source, you risk overwriting essential files that your hardware depends on for basic functionality and security. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. If XAML Build Task is impacting system resources, the maintenance suite below provides general guidance on addressing this. If this fix repaired XAML Build Task dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.